Good morning, students. Now let's find some easy way to memorize the trigonometric formulas. First, we can say some people have trigonometric ratios guideline. Some people have. That means some people have curly brown hair, tan, permanently black. Some people have curly brown hair, tan, permanently black. Some sin theta. Permanently people have. So P by H. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Perpendicular to the hypotenuse P by H. And cos curly brown hair. Cos theta equal to base to the hypotenuse P by H. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to P by H. So tan permanently black. Tan theta perpendicular to the base. So P by B. So tan theta is from P by B. So we got this idea. Some people have curly brown hair, tan permanently black. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular to the hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base to the hypotenuse, tan theta equal to perpendicular to the base. You will be getting first idea. Now reciprocal functions. Sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal. Cos theta and sec theta is reciprocal. Tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. That is, what is that? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Sin theta the reciprocal of cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. And tan theta is 1 by cot theta. The same way cot theta is 1 by tan theta. These are reciprocal functions. We'll go to the second part. Now we'll come to trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. How to find that? Trigonometric ratio of 0, 6, 30, 60, 45 and 90. You take your left hand. The thumb finger, you can put 0 degree and sequentially, and the next become 30 and 45, 60 and the small finger is, the ring finger is 60, small finger is become and 90. So you can mark it like that. So sin theta is number of left fingers by 4. Cos theta is number of right fingers by 4. And tan theta is left finger by right finger. So I take the left hand side. Taken. If you want 30 degree, see the left hand side. It is 30 degree. If you want 30 degree, you close the 30 finger. Now how many left finger, how many right finger you can see. Left finger is 1, right finger is 3. If you want 45 degree, take the 45 degree, close it. Left finger is 2, right finger is 2. Number of left side to the 45 degree. Number of fingers right to the 45 degree. So when you come to 60 degree, the same manner. You can close 60 degree. How many left fingers, how many right fingers, you can calculate. From that we can find the results. Okay. Now how to use this one? Tell you. Suppose sin 30. You need sin 30. So 30 degree is 30 degree. You have to close it. Right. Now sin is become left finger by 4. Left finger is only 1. Yes. Number of left finger and divided by 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is become 2. So 1 by 2. Sin 30 values, you can see the table. It is become 1 by 2. And cos 30. Cos is become right finger by 4. Right finger is 3. Because this is a left finger, left side. This is a right side. Right side is 3. So square root of 3 by 4. Right finger by 4. So this becomes square root of 3 become root 3. Become 4 is become square root of 4 is 2. Root 3 by 2. And tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to left finger by right finger. So 30 degree. Taken 30 degree. Left finger is 1. Right finger is 3. So 1 by 3. So square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 3 is become root 3. So we'll be getting tan 30. In the same manner you can find all the values. One more example tell you 0 degree. Take about the 0 degree. Right. So it is 0. I'll close it. So sin 0. Sine 0. Number of 0 degree. This left finger, nothing. No left finger is there. Only right finger is 4. So left finger is become 0. Right, by 4. Square root of 0 by 4. Square root of 0 becomes 0. It is 0. Okay. Sine 0 becomes 0. And sine cos 0. Cos 0 become right finger by 4. Right finger is 4 finger is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right finger is 4. 4 by 4 is equal to square root of 1. 4 by 4 is 1. Square root of 1 is equal to 1. Then 10. Tan 0. Square root of, see, tan 0. Left finger by right finger. So 0 degree. This 0 degree closed. Left finger is nothing. Right finger is 4. 0 by 4 is become 0. It is equal to 0. Sorry. It is 0. So you will be getting into the sine in 0 degree. And in the same way, we can go for 90 degree. For example, 90 degree you can see. This is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So it's 90. So 90 close it. So sine 90 degree is equal to, as per the 90 degree, left finger. Sine is become left finger. Left finger is become 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 left finger divided by 4. Square root of 1, it is 1. Okay. Then cos 90. Cos 90 is become right finger. It's a 90 here. Right finger nothing. So 0 by 4. It is become square root of 0. It equal to 0. Right? Okay. Now tan 90. Tan is become left finger by right finger. So according to the 90, left finger is 4. Root of 4. Right finger is nothing, 0. Okay. So anything divided by 0 is become not defined. Why? 0 by any values divided by 0, the values cannot define. So you're putting NT, not defined, or using the symbol. This symbol is for not defined. It's like infinity symbol. This is a symbol of infinity. Okay, like alpha is look like alpha, but alpha is this one. Infinity is just closed. It's infinity. Okay, I hope understand. You can find any values from here. Even what 45 left finger by right finger, you can get it. Suppose one example of 45 degree tell you. If you need 45 degree, sine 45. Okay, sine is become left finger by 4. 45 degree, this 45 degree. Left finger is 2. And by 4, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Square root of 1 is become 1. Square root of 4, 2 we cannot do. 1 by root 2. You can check the table, we will get the same result. 45 degree, same result. So right finger 2 by 4. Yes, 2 by 4. So it's become 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, the same manner tan 45. Tan 45, left finger by right finger, 1 by, so left finger is 2, right finger is 2. So 2 by 2, it is called square root of 1, it is 1. So we can able to find all the values, okay. I hope you understand this idea. You can memorize this form with the finger. You can find the values. You want 60 degree, you can close 60 degree. How many left finger, how many right finger, you can calculate it. And you can do that, okay. We can meet in the next section. Bye.